Hello everyone, this is Travis the Trader coming back to you live on Monday, August the 26th. One of the currencies that people have asked me about after actually uploading the Canadian dollar currency futures is /6A. 6A, this is the Australian dollar futures. And as I mentioned before, these sorts of futures, I would say what I like to call our big boy trades or big boy contracts. One contract for the Australian dollar futures, I believe it's 100,000 Aussie dollars. And so your notional value on something like this is probably $68,000 notional value. So it is big, and one needs to be aware of that when trading options on the Aussie dollar futures. In looking at Aussie, again, as I mentioned before, options on currencies, not that great. It's not bad, it's not great. It's kind of it's kind of down the middle. As you can just see here, if we took the 25 delta, you're at 0.00320, 0.00340. You may have to do some price discovery. And again, do the best you can. Ideally, I haven't traded the Aussie dollar futures in quite some time. I have traded it naked. I have traded defined risk in there as well. And I mean, it's been okay. It's a great product to have for those of you who are looking for. Australia tends to be a country with lots and lots of natural resources, and for those of you who are looking for that type of exposure, the Aussie dollar can provide that. So, but let's just see about the micros, and that would be /M6A. That's the micro. Oh, and see, there are no options on the Aussie dollar futures. So, well, let's take a look then at FXA. FXA, I believe, is the ETF. Oh, it is. Okay, so the FXA is the ETF, the Australian dollar ETF. If we went 50, oh man, this is absolutely undelightful, untradeable. I mean, you're looking at the 30 delta. It's like you might, you're getting a couple pennies. You're putting up $1,300. Not really a great return on capital on that either. Look, if you're going to trade it, I would trade the futures. I would look to keep the trade small, and maybe for those people who are just starting out, maybe make it a defined risk trade with either a spread or some other kind of delta neutral trade, like an iron condor, for example. And that's really about it. Very difficult to trade. Again, liquidity is so important because you don't want to have to pay that much to get in and that much to get out if you're putting a limit, and that could be something might keep you away from trading this. So for those of you who are listening, who have a comment, a question, please put it in the comments section. Let me know how you trade, whether it's FXA or even for that matter the Aussie dollar or any sort of currency. I would definitely look forward to your thoughts and ideas on something like that. For those of you who did find value, please subscribe, send me a thumbs up so that I can continue to provide these sorts of uploads, these sorts of videos for your education and allowing you not just to become a better trader, but a better decision maker as well. Look forward to seeing everyone at the next video.